Hello guys, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can restore the messages in Instagram using an iPhone. So first of all, you need to be in the app library and tap on Instagram. And go to your profile, tap on this 3-line button on top of the right corner. And now go to your activity over here. Now scroll a bit down, where you can see the option download your information at the very bottom. Tap on it. Now it will lead you to this page. Just tap on this download. Just tap on this download or transfer information over here. Just tap on download or transfer information over here and choose the account and tap on next. Now you can choose how much information you want. The first one is all available information, where it will include a complete copy of information. And the second is you can choose any of your selected profiles. I'm choosing the second option because I only want the messages. So tap on messages. Now tap on next. If you want to transfer it to a certain destination, you can choose the second option, but download to device is the right option for this. So I'm choosing download to device. Tap on next, and now you can choose whatever format you want it to be in, the media quality, and which email to notify. Tap on create files, and as you can see in current activity over here, it's in progress. So after your messages are restored, Instagram will notify you, and then you can see all of your deleted messages. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like this video. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.